100% make the immediate correlation that this is our car, but
That's, yeah, that's great.
and then as you get closer, you're like, what? Hey guys, we are headed off to Pureblind. We got the car mostly rolling. It does roll. A lot of it has to come back out, sadly, but this will make it easy for them to work on it. We made some great progress on this stuff. So yeah, off to Denver to get this thing wrapped. What a great looking truck. Oh, we could do it. You just have to like point it in there. Got to drive it with no motor. It's sick. So Cameron, back at the shop over the weekend, knocked out a really helpful setup on the trailer. We now have 2 spares thanks to Kenda. They hooked us up with 6 tires for this thing, and instead of leaving 1 spare at the shop, we figured we should just bring it with us. That way if we blow a tire out, we can swap it. So we did these 2 spares on the tongue, and then we also set up a winch on the trailer, because there's been multiple times at races where we need to get the car on, the car's not running, or it's just struggling to get up because it has broken CV or broken axle shaft or whatever it is. So this makes it really easy. It made it great for us because the car doesn't have a motor in. So huge shout out to Cameron for knocking this out. We're gonna swap this mini build out at some point for a Warn, but for now this old winch is working great. Nick and the guys at Pureblind absolutely killed it on this, and we are incredibly excited to show you guys, but you will not be able to see it until we're at King of the Hammers. We're gonna do a grand reveal once we get there, but oh my God, it is really cool. They did a really good job. It's a beautiful, beautiful wrap. So very excited, but now we get to go back to the shop, and we have 7 days-ish to completely finish this car. We have rolling into the 8th day if we really need to, but we're trying to be leaving Friday morning at 6 a.m. So today is Thursday, so we have a really busy weekend. We got to get the motor in and a bunch of other stuff, but let's knock it out.